Theta Network holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the Theta Network price. It's the price pump, is the price term. You know what? In a previous time, the Theta Network price is very badly fast down, and still now, but now the current situation is going good. You can see that now the latest last 1 hour chain is positive. So that is why I'm telling you that the current situation of Theta Network is going good. You know what, my friend? The price of Theta Network is fast down. I think from 1312 USD dollar to the 6 USD dollar, my friends. That's a big loss of all Theta holders, my friends. How you can save yourself from loss? For this, keep watch this video complete, and if you are new to my channel, please my friends, if you listen my voice, click the subscribe button, also like this video, my friends. Now, my friends, this time the latest price of the Theta Network is 6.5 USD dollar. But now, my friends, absolutely the price is very low of Theta Network because the price is very badly fast down from 1312 USD dollar to 6 USD dollar, my friends. So that is a big loss. You can see that in a previous time the changes occur in Theta Network is very badly fast down, and still, my friends, still the changes is negative. So that's mean that price going down. But now, my friends, you can see, right, if we talk about the latest last hour, last 60 minutes. So now this time, my friends, tonight on the 2nd June, tonight the price of the Theta Network start explosion, start jumping. So I think that absolutely they will continue this pump for a long time. They will give you good amount of profit if you hold for a long term, my friends. I know the price of Theta Network is fast down, you can see here, but now in the latest just look here, latest 4 hours price chart of the Theta Network, and from this chart, my friends, from this chart, that's clear that it is a beginning of pump. It is a beginning of pump. Don't worry about this. Absolutely, it's a profit time now. The Theta Network start explosions, Theta Network start jumping. So absolutely, they will take a huge pump. They will continue this pump to the end of July, my friends. I also predicted in my previous video that Theta Network will take a huge pump in the July month, and through the whole July month they will continue this pump, my friends. So absolutely, it's a beginning. Congrats to all of you, my friends. Anyways, please also tell me in the comment box, how do you feel about the Theta Network? What will be the price of Theta Network in the last half July, my friends? Can they again hit a 13 USD dollar in the end of July or not? Just tell me in the comment box, yes or no, my friends. Anyways, I'm also very sad to see the changes over in Theta Network because the price is very paid. I think 5-6 USD dollar falls down over in Theta Network in the June month, my friends. So that's a big loss. But you have to only hold, my friends. Holding is the only way to save yourself from loss. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. So congrats. Now this time the Theta Network start explosion, start jump.